Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Youth Man. You guys, if you've been following this channel, you know how much I love bass and you know how much I love subwoofers. Currently, right now, in my theater room, I'm reviewing two JTR Captivator RS2 subwoofers. Now, these are massive beast subwoofers. They're dual 18s in a single sealed cabinet with a 4,000 watt amplifier in each cabinet. So that's 4 18s right behind my 150-inch screen. Well, today we're gonna go pick up two JTR 1400 single 18s. So let's get in the truck, and let's head on out. All right, we got our Benjamins ready. $2,500, let's go get them. All right, guys, one thing I did not think about is it is dark out. So really I won't be able to kind of vlog this. I thought I'd be able to take you along for the journey. So I'm in the truck right now getting ready to head over and pick these subwoofers up. Let me give you a little bit more context. About a week ago, a friend of mine from Alabama, I live in Florida, he calls me and he says, hey, I'm looking at some JTR speakers online. They're on eBay and a guy's got them for sale near you. Would you be willing to kind of be the middleman, go check them out for me, make sure everything's good, and then I'll drive down in a couple weeks and I'll pick them up from you. And so long story short, I had a great conversation with the guy that owns these. Used to be like an AV installer, I believe. And so he's got just a really nice home theater and he's selling all of it. He's selling the THX Ultra 2 system. He's got two JTR Captivator 1400s, which is a single 18-inch in a sealed enclosure with a 1400 watt amplifier. And so my friend Jason is building a home theater and he saw my videos on JTR speakers and has been looking around and kind of checking out what he should get for his theater. So I'm excited to get these brought back to the house. And so, like I said, may not be able to show you much of the process, but basically when I get back to the house or tomorrow and get these unloaded, then I'll do some more footage for you. So guys, let's head on out. Let's get some subwoofers. All right, guys, we made it to John's house. You are not gonna believe this. So this is the front entrance. Bet you've never seen this. Dude, it opens up to his theater room. Check this out. So this would normally be like your, walk-in formal dining area or whatever. It's got this killer ceiling up here. Now he's getting ready to move, so a lot of the furniture's out. I'll show you the room here. So we got wall-to-wall carpets. We got wall-to-wall curtains. And he's got the Klipsch THX Ultra Series LCR. So we got a center channel here, mounted up top, the right, and over here on the left speaker. And the screen is a monoprice. Not sure what size. I'll ask you in a minute. It's massive, guys. This is a cool room though. Check this out. But here's what we came to get. So a friend of mine is looking for some subwoofers for his home theater. So these are the JTR 1400 from the Captivator series. So I was actually wrong. I thought it was sealed, but these are ported subwoofers. We cranked them up. Plenty of output, man. Rear row of theater seating with LEDs underneath. And on the ceiling, we've got 1,200 fiber optic cables that manually had to be cut into the ceiling, but it looks really dope. So up front, we've got the THX Ultra 2 system from Klipsch. And then we've got the JTR Captivator 1400 subwoofers. And he's got a 150-inch diagonal screen from Monoprice. All right, so we're gonna get the Captivators loaded up bring them back to the house. All right, so here we are back in my home theater. So I've got the JTR Captivator 1400s set up in the front of the room. And I want to play you a track from some old school jam, Bass I Love You. Now I've turned off my main speakers so we don't get flagged for copyright infringement. But I want to show you something. Okay, that's my room just going nuts. So you can see how far we are. When that bass hits, it is literally blowing my curtains from 8 feet away. Also, when I come over here, this entire piece right here is vibrating like crazy. Listen. It's physically flexing this entire door right here. Crazy. All right, Jason, I believe you're going to really enjoy these home theater subwoofers. I have tested it out with just a few things. I haven't really dialed them in, but had a chance to listen to Aquaman, as you just saw. Had a chance to listen to some music, just a ton of output, lots of low frequency extension. And so I just think these are going to be very, very well to perform in your home theater. All right, guys, if you're interested in more JTR subwoofers and speakers, I've got a link to a playlist right up here in the card above. Also, be sure to check out Jeff's website at jtrspeakers.com for home theater speakers as well as subwoofers. And so, guys, hope you're blessed, enjoy your week, and we'll catch you in the next video.